gang, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for a brand new video. So for today's video, I thought I'd bring you guys along in making my 2022 mood board, vision board, goals board, whatever you want to call it. I didn't actually make one of these last year and I thought this year, no, I'm gonna make one. I want to see my goals, I want to see everything on a board, and I thought it'd be fun to kind of show you guys how I make it and maybe give you guys the motivation to make one if you haven't already. I'm fully going in with this with you guys on this video because I haven't actually pre-planned this or got any of the images yet, so we're gonna do it together. If you haven't seen my previous video, it's kind of like a 2022 New Year glow up, so make sure to go and check that out as well. Yeah, so I thought it'd be fun to start off the year with a little bit of motivation. I feel like I need it, and I feel like if I see it like on my laptop screen, especially because I'm at uni as well, like I'm gonna be constantly on my laptop, constantly looking at it, I feel like it's gonna give me the motivation, you know, doing all that manifestation stuff. You guys know the vibes. So I really hope you all enjoy this video. If you do, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, guys. Like, I'm in my head, like, we're on the road to 10 freaking K. Like, we are gonna do it this year, 100%. Thank you so much to everyone that has subscribed. You guys, you know, it means the absolute world to me. And yeah, let's just get into the video. We're testing shit out today because I've never screen recorded on my laptop before, so let's pray for me, let's pray this works. If you guys saw my little glow up video, staying hydrated with the water, that is one of my goals for this year. I'm gonna put it on my board, don't you worry. Mum actually bought me these cheese savouries, and when we were on holiday, like, we know when you buy alcohol on holiday and they sometimes give you like a pot of popcorn or a pot of something, they kept on giving me a pot of these, and I just, wow, they're actually beautiful. I mean, let's have these for a little snack. Wow. Right, so try this whole screen record thing. If you've got a MacBook, I've googled it, I think it is Command, Shift, and 5. You guys over a bit just so you can see when I screen record. I'm on Canva. If you guys don't know what Canva is, get to know because it's so good. I use it for a lot of my uni work as well. I'm going to go to create a design, and then I'm pretty sure they have a desktop wallpaper. I'm going to go for that. Canva's like an elite version of PowerPoint, like, it's so freaking sick. And then do we just leave it blank? Do I put a colour on it? I really should have like pre-planned this before I filmed, but this just explains my life and how I want to be more organised this year. I'm going to leave it on blank, but they have like loads of templates, text, everything. I'm going to go on to my favourite place, Pinterest. I feel like a basic thing to do. Like, I'm going to go on Pinterest to get my images. But how cute are them green nails? Sorry, Tam, if you're watching this. Next nail, wow, they are sick. Are you guys seeing this? I did quickly save like 2 things this morning. Let me go to my board. 2022 pins. Let's go. I really should get 2022 in like cute text. Like, look at all these really cute quotes. Oh my god, I've got skiing on there because I want to go on another ski holiday. I'm gonna get like 2022 in text. This is what takes me so long on Canva, is that I will spend hours figuring out what text I want. I want like a baddie text moment. None of these are really doing it for me. But guys, you can see how many are on there. Should I do the glow? Hustle. I think we're gonna go for hustle just because it says hustle, and I need to be hustling the shit out of this year, right? 2022, bitches. 2020, that's a great start. I don't like it. Sorry guys, hustle was just not for me. Basic glow moment because I just love glow, right? I've done 2020 again, right? 2022, cute. We'll go with that. Great start, 5 minutes in and I've got 2022, let's go. You know what, I love a good quote. Like, have you seen these? You can see these quotes I've got on my screen. I'm putting them all on there. This works. Anyone else that sometimes when they copy and paste, it just doesn't work? Paste. Yes. Be that bitch. Oh my god, I actually love that one. I kind of want that framed on my room. Back in the room, my mum was quickly hoovering, then I end up going to have my dinner because I've got work tonight, but we are back. I've put the quotes on the screen. So here are all the quotes, and then I thought, do you know what, Shannon? Use your own freaking images. Be your own inspo. So I went on my camera roll, transferred over a load of images to me. So I'm just gonna go on to uploads in Canva. So I did do a little bit of editing to put my like goal follower account like on my actual account. So I'll show you guys, I'll put them on. Numbers don't matter, but at the same time they do. Like, I'm trying to make this my career. I feel like I want to show growth as well. So as much as they don't matter, I feel like you guys know what I mean, that they also do. So for TikTok, this is my little TikTok. I put my goal for the end of the year is 120k. I thought, do you know what, girl? Go for it. Set your sights high. Is that what I meant to say? Does that make any sense? You guys know what I mean. So I'm just gonna pop that on there now. I'm sharing with you guys all my goals, and then for YouTube 20k, I want to give myself these big goals, and that will motivate me because I really want to hit them, especially now I'm putting out this video for you guys. I feel like we can all go on that little journey together. And then Insta 50k. Now Insta 50k, that's a big one. I don't know, I have this habit of telling myself, oh yeah, I could get it. No, I am gonna get that 50k. So those are my follower goals for this year. You guys know I'm so grateful for every single one of you. I wanted to put this picture on here of me and my manager Soph, just because she's my manager. I want to smash this year with her, and I know she's gonna help me so much throughout this year, and I can't wait for us to kind of just be boss bitches and just do it. So I really wanted to put me and her on there. So I'm trying to figure out how to crop this. Oh, there you go. I love this photo of us as well. This was at the Lulabells event. I'm gonna stick that there and then bring this forward. I'm gonna put all the images on and then kind of decide what I want to do with them. So instead of getting that photo that I showed you guys of like the ski slope, I've put me in my skis on there, because when I tell you guys, I would absolutely love to be able to go skiing again this year. If you've followed me for a while now, you will probably gather that I am not a sporty person at all. I'm probably the worst at sport. Like, you know when someone's just not a sporty person, like that's me. And then when I knew I was going on this skiing holiday, like I was excited, but like I just didn't really know what to expect, considering I knew that I wasn't really that much of a sporty person. Genuinely the best holiday of my life. 100% recommend going skiing. Like, it was just incredible. Like, I literally loved it. It's definitely something that I hope I can do again this year. Next up, I've got this picture of a freaking salad that I had in Ibiza, which for me is like eating healthy, being healthier, and this salad looks banging. This is probably one of my favourite salads I've ever had. And speaking about salad, I literally just had salad for dinner. It was banging. But this is like my little be healthier motivation photo. I feel like this is quite a good photo, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this looks like it would be from Pinterest, so sorry, who is she? I might stick that up here. Watch it take me years to figure out how I want all of this laid out. I feel like it might not even look that good, but I mean, it's fine. These are mine and Shan's bags from the Boohoo Megan Fox event. This is kind of like I want to be going to way more events this year. I absolutely love a brand event. For me, it's going somewhere and meeting people and being around people that do the same thing as you and just love the same thing that you love. So just put in me and Shan on here because I want to be able to see Shan so much more. I started seeing her like more towards the end of last year, and it was so good. Like, I just want to be able to see her so much more again this year because I love the content we produce when we're together. Like, we literally have the best time creating content, and that's exactly what I want to do with her this year. I've popped on a photo of me and my uni friends, and I know that you might think, what's the goal with that? But I just want to be able to have a sick time with them this year, especially my closest ones that I live with are doing a placement next year, which BRB cry. She's looking cute. She's coming together. I feel like this is nowhere near as aesthetic as some of the ones I've seen, but fuck it. I'm sorry, but how freaking cute is this water bottle? This is going straight on my board. I actually really want the bottle. Oh my god. Anyone else, but like this is genuinely like I need to drink more water. But like it's just gonna help so much with my skin in general, like make it more glowy, healthy vibes. Wow, oh my god, that's actually the prettiest bottle I've ever seen. I've got this little like affirmation manifestation quote on the screen, which is money flows into my life abundantly and effortlessly. I know some of you thinking, Shannon, life's not about money, which it completely isn't. I will be 110% real with you guys. I really struggled with money last year. I'm just a spender, I'm not a saver, and especially with being at uni as well, it was just an absolute freaking disaster. I'm also one of the people that hates missing out and gets really bad FOMO, and I'd never want to look back and be like, oh, I wish I went to that, or I wish I'd done that. Like, I always just do it, which I mean, it doesn't help with my spending habit. So this is kind of like a little affirmation that this year I want to be comfortable and like not have to stress about it, because last year I stressed about it so much. I'm saying this because I don't want this to come across like in the wrong way, but I hope you guys get what I mean. I don't know where I want this quote to go. I feel like there's so much more I need to put on this board. So when I get to Pinterest, I feel like there's some brands that I want to work with maybe. Yeah, let's put the Farfetched logo on there. I can't even freaking believe that I forgot about this one. Is that one thing I would be able to absolutely love to do this year is buy myself a new car. And I've had my car since I passed my driving test when I was 17. And don't get me wrong, it is still going freaking strong. Like, I love my car, but it is like my first car. So as you guys can probably guess, the mileage is getting up. I've had some problems with it as well. So I feel like I would love to be able to buy myself a new car this year. I feel like that's very... not far-fetched, however, because I am gonna do it, but you know what I mean? It's one of them goals that like is so 50-50, but I want to put it on my board. I've got an Audi A1 on here because when I was younger, that used to be kind of like my dream car, but I feel like if I was gonna get a new car, like I'd probably shop for it and like probably look around, but like I'm not a car person. Like I wouldn't be able to name you like proper car models. Like this one in particular, I just know because growing up, it was always one that I would always want, so I put it on there. Aww. I'm actually so glad I've put that on there. Fingers crossed, guys. So the final thing I'm going to put on there for now is actually, I feel like it's going to kind of shock you guys in a way that you'd be like, why are you putting that on there, Shannon? And it's actually a Pretty Little Thing. And I feel like some of you that know me will know that like I've worked a Pretty Little Thing. And I put this on there because I would absolutely love to be able to do, as you all know how much I freaking love them, like a paid YouTube collab. Like that would be an actual ultimate dream. So that's really why I want to put that on there, because that would honestly be such a big dream of mine. Why is my Canva playing up? Oh my god, it looks so cute. I feel like it's going to be so much more. I'm going to add to this over the year. The great thing with Canva is that I'll be able to like change this whenever I want. So I feel like, should I make it my home screen? Let's do it. How do you set as a desktop? I don't know what I'm doing. Try and do this on myself and be like independent, like I'm gonna do this, but I think I need Google. Hey Siri, how do you set a photo as a MacBook desktop photo? I can't speak. Oh my god, it's literally set. Oh my god, it's literally saying what I'm saying. Ah! Oh, I fucked it there.
Okay, I found this on the web for how do you set a photo as a MacBook desktop photo. I can't speak. Oh my god, it's literally said, oh my god, it said it was saying I fucked it there.
Siri is just done me dirty, man. How do we set full menu? I didn't do that. I didn't do that. System preferences. Oh my god, it's literally there. Desktop and screensaver. Guys, I've actually freaking done it. Proud of myself. Look how freaking cute it is. I'm actually so buzzing with that. Oh my god, I actually love it. This is my little 2022 vision board. Let me know down below your goals. Let me know down below if you're going to try this. If you do make one of these, which you definitely should, please send them to me over on Instagram. I'd love to have a look at yours. Really hope you guys did all enjoy this video. If you did, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you all for a brand new video tomorrow, which is Wednesday.